Where are we today, Sara? We are at a nature playground.
And this is also Sara. Looking at the back with a few thumbs up, hit that button, and turn the notification button on.
That's right, guys. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. So we are at a nature playground. Yeah.
And here you go.
Here we go. There's a dog park over there, a skateboard park, nature trails. We have through the distance through there, there's like someone's made a teepee. Sara's on the play equipment. Eve's asleep. Beautiful park. Such a beautiful day.
And kids, that's my skateboard park over there.
Over there, that is your skateboard park over there.
And kids, look what else I can do. I can climb on these rocks.
Wow. You are so clever, Sara. What else can you do at the playground? Oh, there's this ambulance coming. I hope all is safe. Oh, what have you got, Sara? Sara has a special watch that used to be her mummy's. It's 34 years old and it tells you how to tell the time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? The time, Mr. Wolf.
Oh, kids, I got something amazing at this park. Look, that's across the bridge.
Oh, ah! Ready to jump? Ready? The floor is lava in. Let me count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! The floor is lava! Run! Yay! She made it! Oh, quick, don't step on though. Don't step in the blue section.
Can I tip on this bit?
Yes.
Let's go again, kids. Kids, I'm going to take my own letters.
Okay.
Kids, I'll come back.
Oh no, can she do it? Be careful. Whoa, she fell. You okay? Up you get, love. That's okay. You can try again.
Because I'm still learning, kids.
That's right. You are learning. Little kids, it's all about learning and exploring.
And reading eggs, and reading eggs helps you read.
Reading eggs. Oh yes, we like reading eggs, don't we?
And reading eggs
They help you read.
Yeah, it helps you read books.
That's right.
It helps you read real books. It has games on it you can play.
Yeah, we do like reading eggs.
Oh.
This park is very quiet today. Normally there's a lot more people here.
Kids, come here. There's also an exercising area over there out this park.
There sure is.
Yeah, hey, follow me, kids. I have something very cool.
Alright, let me just get Eve. So Eve is still asleep. Snoring away. Let's go meet Sara, hey? Oh yeah, so Sara has some news for you guys. She started kindy 4 weeks ago. And what do you like about kindy, Sara?
Everything.
Yeah, and you've got friends you've met. You've got, what else have you got at your kindy? What have you got? What's outside? What's inside?
There's a secret.
Oh, tell them about the special foot bath.
Oh yeah, so we have our foot bath there, and we have, I think, those things we climb over, and then we put then we take our shoes and put our feet in there, and then we have water in first, the soap in next third, and then the marbles in second.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's how you wash your feet.
And then when we finish doing it, we get to dry our feet and then put our shoes back on.
That's
And
amazing.
guess what, kids? Now we do our name cards. We do our name cards, our backpack, our big bottles, and our lunch boxes. 5 jobs.
5 jobs. That's
I'll
amazing.
show you something. Can I hold the phone?
What do you want to show them?
Come on.
Sarah's favourite part about this playground is this amazing volcano. Can she get to the top? That is the question. Go, Sarah, go. Oh my goodness, it's wobbling.
Oh, there's a pile of it.
Wow.
Kids, come up here.
We're watching.
Kids, come up.
You be careful. Oh my gosh, she has made it to the volcano. Here we come.
I'm not in my pajamas. You know I'm in my clothes.
You are in your daytime clothes. Some days we have PJ days where we just stay in our jammies till like 10 a.m. and lounge around and watch a movie. But today we have been up early and we have just been out and about.
Kids,
Look at this beautiful teepee that's made of nature. Wow! Look at you go! And Eve is still sleeping.
Oh, kids, I want to tell them something about Ryan's world.
Yeah, so if you don't know, Sara and Eve are big fans of Ryan's
Okay,
World.
I got Ryan's toy, and then guess what? Also about Ryan, meet Ryan.
And have a mystery play date.
Yeah, because we have to get the golden egg. Look at that.
What happens if you get the golden egg, Sara?
And there's a chance to play with Ryan.
Wow, that's really cool.
I got something.
Sara has so many Ryan's World toys at home. Maybe your next video might want to be about your Ryan toys.
Yeah, we can do that. I'm sure I can climb it.
Yeah, you climbed that just before.
I just need
Look at this volcano. It's amazing.
some. I can't
On the weekends, this volcano is so busy. So busy. Whoop, she fell. Can she do it?
I've been exercising all week.
Can she do it? Yes, she can. And we have a running track coming through here. There's a runner coming at the moment. You can do it. Ah, she fell. You jumped. Okay, she jumped off, guys. It is quite high. You will get there. You are 4 years old, aren't you, love? Hey? And the things that Sara loves to do on weekends is go to the skateboard park, don't you, Sara?
Kids, I got something really cool.
Oh, yes, I did show them that before. It's like a teepee. Okay. Let's go up this way. Oh, the rock climbing. That's another one of Sarah's favourites. It's a bumpy ride and Eve is still asleep, so we are doing well. Wow, I missed that. I missed that, Sara. I know, you did it. Well done. And look how adorable these little froggies are. They are just too cute. Adorable.
There's one there and another one there.
I wonder what their names are.
I think Froggy and Honey.
You might be right.
Do you want to see the exercising like suggestions?
Oh, we're not going down there today. You want to go down there?
Show you what you can do.
All right, let me just get Eve. So this is another area where Sara likes to play on the gym equipment. Mummy and Daddy are both quite active. Daddy rides his bike and his skateboard, and Mummy likes to do skipping and running and walking. So Sara is brought up in quite an active physical household where we tend to like to go outdoors and play and have fun and work out. As you can see, Sara's just like her mum and her dad. Dance with monsters? Who dances with monsters?
We do.
We do? Do we really?
What show do we dance with monsters?
Oh yeah, guys, so if you haven't heard of this show Sara's talking about, it's called Kids Dance Freeze. And
so you can do the force now, and dance, and then the music stops. You have to freeze.
that's right, exactly right, Sara. So you dance, and then the robot will say in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start jumping, and then you jump for like maybe 20 jumps, and then it says stop, and then it says the floor is lava. So then you have to get off the floor or do crawling or jump to a safe place. And yeah, that's about it really with that one. But it's a really good show for kids, so check out Kids Dance Freeze if you haven't already. Wow, Sara, look at you go. Goodness. They are not really climbing shoes, are they?
I made it! Calm down somehow.
Well done. Sara's getting her fitness in for the day.
Look at this!
That's a bit tricky.
Exercising area, play area, a cable park, and a shortcut area. So you can just go for a bike ride somewhere.
However, you know what?
Yeah.
You haven't got the right shoes on today. So maybe next time we'll dress you in right shoes.